How to fix issues with the CapCut app, such as internet connection problems, templates not working, or other similar issues. To fix these problems properly, you need to have a CapCut account and use a strong and fast VPN. Let's assume you don't have a CapCut account at the moment. In this case, you'll need to create a new account through your browser. To do this, you must first connect to a VPN in a country where CapCut is available without restrictions. I strongly recommend using TurboVPN, SpeedVPN, or any reliable VPN like JumpVPN if possible, because the quality of the VPN will affect the app's performance. If the app is available in your country, there's no need to use any VPN, like me. Next, open the Chrome browser on your phone or device and search for CapCut Signup or CapCut Registration. You should see the official sign-up page for CapCut.com. Click on this page to enter. Now, try to create a new account on CapCut using your email or Facebook account. You can choose whichever method you prefer. After selecting the method, fill in the required details and successfully create your account. Once you've created the account, force the CapCut app to close completely by either going to your phone's settings and selecting Force Stop, or by pressing and holding the app's icon and choosing Force Stop. Then, open the app again. After opening the app, go to the Me section. Tap on Login to sign in to your account. Log in using the same email or Facebook account you used when creating the account. Once logged in, go to the app's settings by tapping on the settings icon. Scroll down until you find the Business Creator Mode option and enable it directly. Now everything is ready, and you can use CapCut without any problems or complications. If you encounter any issues while using CapCut at any time, simply follow these easy and simple steps we've discussed. For example, stop the CapCut app by long pressing the CapCut icon from the home screen and selecting Force Stop to close it completely. Alternatively, you can simply swipe CapCut out of the background apps by removing it from the recent apps list. Make sure you're connected to the VPN while using the app, as the VPN connection is essential for the app to work properly. The second step is to log in to your account correctly. The third step is to ensure that you've enabled Business Creator Mode so you can access all the available features. Additionally, I recommend that if CapCut stops working in the future or if problems continue, you try using alternative video editing apps like VivaCut or VN. These apps are good and suitable solutions for video editing. Thanks for watching, and I wish you a wonderful and successful day.